in Facebook, it is saying that it is stating that it's going to start soon.
Okay, sorry, I was muted. Sorry. Okay, on my screen it says that on custom live streaming live. Okay. Okay.
It is live now.
I think okay, it's live now. So we apologize for the technical error. So now we will start our session tonight by inviting Group 1. The members of Group 1 is the Chukan, the May, the Mengsi, and Sister Lily Chiang. Right? They will start the chanting. They will lead us in tonight's chanting lah. Group 1. Okay, so over to you, Sister Chukan.
Okay. Yani dabutani samagatani bummani vayani va antalikhe sabbeva bhuta sumana bhavantu attopi sakkacha sunantu basitang Tasmahi bhuta nisameta sabbe mettang karota manusia pajaya divacharato chaharanti ye baling tasmahine rakata appamatta yang kinci bitang idava hurangva sakye subayang ratanang panitang nano samang atti tata gatena idampi buddhe ratanang panitang etena satchena suvatti hotu Kayang viragang amatang panitang yadak jaga sakya muni samahito natena dhammena samatti kinci idampi dhamme ratanang panitang etena satchena suvatti hotu.
Yang Buddha Setto Pariwarnai Sucing Samadhi Manantarikan Yamahu Samadhi Natena Samona Vicchati Idampi Dhamme Ratanang Panitang Etena Satchena Suvatti Hotu Ye Puggala Atta Satang Pasatta Chattari Etani Yugani Honti Te Dakhineya Sugatassa Sawaka Ete Sudinnani Mahappalani Idampi Sangke Ratanang Panitang Etena Chena suvatti hotu ye suppayutta manasa dahena nikkamino gotama sassanam hi te pattipatta amatang vigaiha ladda muda nibbutim bunjamana idampi sangke ratanang panitang etena satchena suvatti hotu yatinda kilo pataving sitosiya chato biwakte bi asampakampiyo tatu pamang sappurisang wadami yo arya sat Jani aveja passati idampi sangke ratanang panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu.
Ye Arya Satchane Vibhawayanti Gambira Panyena Sudesitani Kinca Pite Honti Busappamata Nete Bawang Attamang Adiyanti Idang Pesanghe Ratanang Panitang Etena Cena suwati hotu sahawassa dasana sampadaya tayassu dhamma jahita bhavanti sakaya ditti vicikicitanca silabbatang wapi yadatti kince Catu apayehi ca vipamauto caca bitanane ababokatung idampe sanghe ratanang panitang etena saccena suwati hotu kinca piso kamang karoti papekang kayena waca udacita sawa Wam ababboso tassa paticca daya ababbata ditta padassa wutta idang pesanghe ratanang panitang etena saccena suwati hotu wanappa gumbe yata pusittagge gimhana mase patamasming gimhe tatu pamang dammang warang adesei nibbana gamming paramang hitaya idang pe buddhe ratanang panitang etena saccena suwati hotu
Waro, warano, warado, waraharo, anuttaro dhamma warang adeseyi, idam pe buddhe ratanang panitang, etena saccena suwati hotu, kinang puranang nawang nati sambawang, viratta cita ayatike bawasmin tekina bija avirohi canda nibbanti dirayata yang padipo idam pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suwati hotu yani da bhutani samagatani Bummani vayani va antalike tatagatang dewa manusa pujitang buddhang namasama suwati hotu yani da bhutani samagatani bummani vayani va antalike tatagatang dewa manusa pujitang dhammang namasama suwati hotu yani da bhutani samagatani bummani vayani va antalike tatagatang de namasama suwati hotu etena sacca vajena dukkha vupa samaintume etena sacca vajena bhaya vupa samentume etena sacca vajena roga vupa samentume sadhu sadhu sadhu.
Oh, that was excellent. I don't know which to comment and say, but that was excellent. Okay, we'll continue with group number 2. Are you ready?
Okay. Ratana Suttang. यानि भूतानि समागतानि बुम्मानि वा यानि व अन्तरिक्षे सब्बेव भूता सुमना भवन्तु अतोऽपि सख्खच्च सुनन्तु भासितं तस्मा हि भूतानि सामेत सब्बे मेत्तं करोत मानुष्यापचाय दिवाच रत्तो च हरन्ति ये बलिं तस्मा हि ने रक्कत अपमत्ता yang kinci vittang idava hurang va sakke suva yang ratanang panitang nano samang atti tatagatena idampi butte ratanang panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu kayang viragang amatang panitang yadak jaga sakya muni samahito natena dhammena samatti kinci idampi dhamme ratanang panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu yang buddha setto parivannai sucing samadhimanan tarikanyamahu Samadhina tena samona vicchati idampi dhamme ratanang panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu ye pukkala atta satang pasatta chattari etani yogani honti te dakkineya sugatassa savaka Etesu dinnani mahappalani idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu.
Ye suppayutta manasa dalhena nikkamino gotama sasananhi te pattipatta amatang vikatya Ladda mudda nipputim punjamana idam pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suwatti hotu ya tindakilo patavid sitosia chatupivate bi asampakampiyo tatupamang sakpurisam vandami Yo Arya Satchani Avicchapasati Idam Pisangge Ratanang Panitang Etena Satchena Suwatti Hotu Ye Arya Satchani Vibhavayanti Gambira Panyena Sudesithani Kinchapite Honti Busappamatta Ate bavan attaman adiyanti idam pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suwatti hotu sahava sadasana sampadaya taya sudamma jahita bhavanti sakkaya ditti vicchikiccitanca silabat Tambaki yadatti kinci chatu happayehi ca vippamuttu cha cha bittanani avappukatum idam pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suwatti hotu kincapi sokamang karoti papakam Kayena vaca udacetasa va avappo sotasa paticcadaya avappatta ditta padasa vutta idam pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suwatti hotu vanappagumbe yatha pussithake Gimhanamase patamasmin gimhi tatupamang dhammavarang adisayi nippanagamin paramantithaya idam bibuddhe ratanang panitang etena satchena suwatti hotu.
Waro waranyo warado waraharo anuttaro dhamma warang adisayi idampi buddhe ratanang panitang etena satchena suwatti hotu. Kinang puranang nawang natti sampawang viratta citta ayatike pawasming tekina bija awirohit canda nippanti dirayata yang padipo idampi sanghe ratanang panitang etena satchena suwatti hotu. Yani dabutani samagatani bummani wa yani wa antalikke tatagatang dewa manussa pujitang buddhang namassama suwatti hotu. Yani dabutani samagatani bummani wa yani wa antalikke tatagatang dewa manussa pujitang dhammang namassama suwatti hotu. Yani dabutani samagatani bummani wa yani antalikke tatagatang dewa manussa pujitang sanghang namassama suwatti hotu. Etena satcha vaccena dukkha uppas samantute etena satcha vaccena vyaya uppasamintute etena satcha vaccena roga uppasamintute. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Thank you, sister. Thank you. I think that was another excellent round. Like I said, no comments. So now you move on. You can move on, I think, to group number 3. Is it? Okay, Sister Emily, over to you.
Okay. Yani dabutani samagatani ummani va yani va antalikke sabbeva bhuta sumana bhavantu atopi sakkacca sunantu bhasitang tasmahi bhuta misa metta sabbe mettang karota manusiya pajaya divacharato chaharanti ye baling tasmahi ne rakkata appamatta yang kinci vittang idavahurang va sagge suva yang ratanang panitang nano samang atti tatagatena idampi buddhe ratanang panitang etena satchena subati hotu kayang viragang amatang panitang yadat jaga sakya muni samahito natena dhammena samatti kinci idampi dhamme ratanang panitang etena satchena subati hotu. Yang Buddha setto parivannai sucing samadhi manantarikan samadhi manantarikannya mahu samadhina tena samona vidjati idampi dhamme ratanang panitang etena satchena suvatti hotu ye puggala atta sattang pasatta chattari etani yugani honti tedakkinaya sugatas sasavaka ete sudinnani mahappalani idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena satchena suvatti hotu. Okay, next. Ye suppayutta manasada hena nikkami nogo tamasasanam hi te patti patta amatam vigaiha ladda mudda nibbuting bunjamana idampi sangge ratanam panitang etena satchena suvatti hotu yatinda kilo pataving sitosiya Chatubbi vatebi asampakampiyo tatu pamang sapurisang vadami yo arya satchani avecha passati idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena satchena suvatti hotu.
Ye Arya Satchani Vivayanti Gambira Padena Sudesitani Kincapi te honti Pusappamata Nate Bhavang Attanam Adiyanti Idampi Sangge Ratanam Panitang Etena Sasena Suvati Hotu Saha Vasadasana Sampadaya Tayasu Dhamma Jahita Bhavanti Sakayaditi Vitikiccitanca Silabatam Vapi Yadati Kinci Jatu Hapayehi Caripamoto Cacapitanani Apapokatum Idampi Sangge Ratanam Panitang etena sasena suvati hotu kincapi sokamam karoti papakam kayena waca udacita sawa apaposo tassa paticadaya apapata dita padasavutta idampi sangge ratanam panitam etena sasena subati hotu vanapagumbe yatapusitage gimhana mase patas masmin gimhe tatupamam dhamma varam adesai nibbana gamin paramam hitaya idam Pisude ratanam panitam etena sasena suvati hotu.
Varo varanyo varado varaharo anuttaro dhamma varang adesai idampe buddhe ratanang panitang etena satchena suvati hotu. Kinang puranang navang natti sambhavang viratta citta ayatike bhavasming te kina bija aviruhi canda nibbanti dira yatta yang padipo idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena satchena suvati hotu. Yadina bhutani samagatani bhummani vayani va antalike tatagatang dewa manusa pujitang buddhang namasama suvati hotu. Yani da bhutani samagatani Bhummani Vayani Va Antalike Tatagatang Dewa Manusa Pujitang Dhammang Namasama Suvati Hotu Yani da Bhutani Samagatani Bhummani Vayani Va Antalike Tatagatang Dewa Manusa Pujitang Sanggam Namasama Suvati Hotu Etena Satcha Vajena Dukkha Vupasamentute Etena Satcha Vajena Bhaya Vupasamentute Etena Satcha Vajena Roga Vupasamentute Sadhu Sadhu Sadhu.
Oh, that was very good. Group 3 also very good. Okay, then we'll move on with group 4. Brother Raymond, over to you.
Yani da bhutani samagatani bummani vayani va antalike sabbeva bhuta sumana bhavantu atopi sakkacca sunantu basitang tasmahi bhutani sametta sabbe mettang karota manusia pajaya divaca ratto ca haranti ye baling tasmahine rakkata appamatta yang kinci vittang idava hurangva sangge suva yang ratanang panitang nano samang atti tatagatena idampi buddhe ratanang panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu kayang viragang amatang panitang yadat jaga sakya muni samahito natena dhammena samatti kinci idampi dhamme ratanang panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu.
Yang Buddha seto paribanai suci samadhi manan dari kanan mahu samadhina tena samona vijati idampi dhamme ratanang panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu ye puggala attasatang pasata chatari etani yugani honti te dakineya sukatassa savaka ete sudinani mahapalani idampi sanghe ratanang panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu ye supayuta manasa dalhena nikamino gotama sasanam hi te patipata amatang vigaye lada muda nibuting bunjamana idampi sanghe ratanang panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu yakindo kilo pataving sito siya chatubi vatebi asampakampiyo tatupamang sapurisang vadami yo arya sachani avecha pasati idampi sanghe ratanang panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu.
Ye Arya Satchani Vibhavayanti Gambhira Pannena Sudesitani Kinchapite Honti Busappamatta Nate Bhavang Attamang Adiyanti idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena satchena suvati hotu sahavassa dassana sampadaya tayassu dhamma jahita bhavanti sakkaya ditti vicikiccitanca silappatang vapi yadatti kinci catuha payehi ca vippamutto cacabitanani ababbo khatung idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena satchena suvati hotu kincapi sokammang karoti papakang kayena vaca udacetasa ababbo sotassa paticchadaya ababbata ditta padassa vutta idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena satchena suvati hotu vanappa gumbe yata putsitagge gimhana masse patamasming gimhe tatupamang dhamma varang adesayi nibbana gaming paramang hitaya idampi buddhe ratanang panitang etena satchena suvati hotu.
Waro waranu warado waraharo anuttaro dhamma warang adisaye idampi buddhe ratanang panitang etena satchena suvati hotu kinam puranam nawang nati sabawam virata cita ayatike bawasmin tekina bija averohi chanda nibanti dirat yattayam padipo idampi sangge ratanang panitam etena satchena suvati hotu yadina buttani samagattani bommani wa yani wa antaleke Tatagatam dewa manusa pujitam buddhang nama sama suvati hotu yadida buttani samagatani bommani wa yani wa antaleke Tatagatam dewa manusa pujitam dhammang nama sama suvati hotu yadida buttani samagatani bommani waya niwa antaleke tatagatam dewa manusa pujitam sanggam nama sama suvati hotu etena satya wajena dukkha upasamayentu te etena satya wajena Baya upasumentu te etena satya wajena roga upasamentu te sadhu sadhu sadhu.
Oh, that was also very good. Okay, we'll move on. I also need a breather actually. Okay, we'll move on to group number 5. Brother Yo, the man in charge of our technical tonight, is also participating. Brother Yo, over to you. Are you muted, Brother Yo? Can't change the screen.
Tan?
Yep.
I think something wrong with the computer for a while. Just give him a few minutes.
Yeah, okay. While he set his computer, I also want to say a few things. Actually, I'm very, very, very surprised that the chanting was so far very good, very excellent. While waiting, so I'll just pass some comments . But what? Okay, I'm very surprised that the chanting is very good. I'm very pleased, lah. You know, it's very good. That means what we're trying to say is that I think you all understood the philosophy, lah. You understood the correct way of chanting. Although you all are new, many of you are new and first timers, and I think your chanting was very good. And what surprised me most is that I don't find a common mistake. You know, that is surprising. That's why I say that means you have understood, lah. You know. All the mistakes are all everywhere, but you know, I mean, I'm talking about the groups. There were no common mistakes. That was what surprised me most. No common mistakes. You know, everybody made mistakes here and there, a little bit here, a little bit there, but no common mistakes. You know, I was thinking maybe certain words, I will find a lot of mistakes in that word, you know, but I didn't find anything like that, anything of those kind. So most of the mistakes are all single, you know. So there was the, okay, meaning to say you all have understood, and these mistakes were only, I think you were careless, that's all you made the mistakes, not that you didn't understand. That means we were careless, we were careless and we made that mistake. Not because we did not understand that you have to drag here, drag there, no. I think that was very clear. All of you understood that part. So the mistakes has proven that you've understood that part. And this is only careless mistakes, and maybe because sometimes, you know, first time we are chanting alone like that, we get a bit nervous. Of course, for me also, up to today, I still get nervous. Brother, are you ready? Yeah.
I don't know why, but his computer got no internet connection suddenly.
Okay, never mind. I will try to download and continue. Hold on. Let me try now. But I did not prepare to do that tonight, so I'll do it now. Okay, hold on. Okay,
I don't know whether he wants to use my iPad or not, because his computer suddenly no more internet connection. I don't know what's wrong.
No problem, no problem. Anyway, we apologize for this technical error. Those on Facebook, we apologize for this technical error. Let me see whether I get the unison chanting. I hope I get the correct slide. I think I got it right. Okay.
You can.
Bruta, sorry, the connection, internet suddenly cut off. You hold on, I'm trying to connect.
Okay, you try, but you stop your screen sharing.
Was it?
And then I will try to screen share now. Okay, you stop your screen sharing. While you prepare yourself, I will get group 6 to come in first. Okay, let me see whether I can screen share. Have you stopped your screen sharing?
I cannot. Hold on.
Okay. Now I can go. I think you have stopped your. Okay.
You stop your screen sharing.
Okay, you don't do your screen sharing now because I'm doing the screen sharing now.
Did you stop your screen sharing?
Stop.
He will stop his screen sharing.
Okay. Then I will do the screen sharing. Hold on. Let me see whether I'm competent or not to do this. It is all orang tua. So those on the Facebook, we apologize, but bear with us. We are trying our level best. Bear with us. We are trying our level. Okay, let me see whether I can do it or not. Let me see. Oh, I'm not able to. Okay.
You've already shared, Brother Ling Huat. We can see the screen very clearly.
This is my screen or his screen?
Your screen, I think.
Okay, my screen, but let me see how do I.
Do you want me to make do you want to make me co-host? I can do it for you.
You have the slides?
Yeah.
I'm
actually opening the slides. You do me co-host, yeah?
Okay, I stop sharing first.
You do me co-host first.
Okay, hold on. Co-host means I have got to go to your and I make you co-host. Okay. I've made you co-host. I stop my screen sharing.
Yeah.
Okay, I stop mine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you see now?
Yes. So, Brother Yo, if you're ready, Brother Yo, we can use our sister's screen sharing now. Brother Yo? Okay, so we'll move to group number 6 first. Brother Nguyen, are you ready?
How many verse should I go for the group 6?
Now you have only 3 of you lah.
6 verse, 4 or 6 verses.
You,
6,
Sister Esther and Brother Casey. Okay. So
6
meaning to
verses.
say that you can go 6, 5, and 6 lah.
Okay.
6 and second chanter, Sister Esther will do 5. Brother Casey will do the last 6, isn't it? Am I right, Brother Casey?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So over to you, Brother Nguyen.
Yani dha bhutani samagatani bhummani va yani va antalikhe sabbe va bhuta sumana bhavantu atopi sakkacha sunantu bhasitang tasmahi Bhuta nisameta sabbe mettang karotha manusia pajaya divacha ratto cha haranti ye baling tasmahine rakata appamatta yang kinci wittang idhava hurang va Sagge suwa yang ratanang panitang nano samang atti tathagatena idampi buddhe ratanang panitang etena saccena suwatti hotu hayang viragang amatang panitang Yadat jaga sakya muni samahito natena dhammena samatti kinci idampi dhamme ratanang panitang etena saccena suwatti hotu yang buddha setto pariwanna yisuccing Samadhi manantari kanya mahu Samadhi nastena samo na vijjati idampi dhamme ratanang panitang etena saccena suwatti hotu ye puggala attha satang passata Tari etani yugani honti te dakhineya sugatassa savaka ete sudinnani mahaphalani idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suwatti hotu
Ye supayota manasadahe-na nikameno gotama sasanambihi te patipata amatang bigaya lakda muda nimuting bujamana idampi sangge ratanam panitang etena saccena subati hotu yang tinggi kilo patawing sitosia cap buti cap tabbi vatehi asampa kampio tatu pamang sapurisang vadami yo arya sacani avat cepat seti edampi sangge ratanang panitang etena saccena subati hotu ye arya saccani vibayayanti gambira panyana sudesitani kim capi te honti busapa matang nate bawang atemang adiyanti idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena saccena subati hotu
Sahavasa dasana sampedaya tayasu dhamma jahita bhavanti sakaya dikti vichiking kicitanja silap batang wapiyadati kinci catute payehi ca vipamutto caca pitanani ababokatam katum idampi sangge ratanam panitang etena sacena suvati hotu kincapi sokam mangkaroti pa pekang kayena waca udaca sawa abhabo satasa pati cadaya ahabbata dikta pada sewakta wukta idampi sangge ratanam panitang etena sacena subati hotu.
Vanapagumbe yata pusitage gimhana mase patamasming gimhi tatu pamang dhamma barang adeseyi nibbana gamming paramang hitaya idampe butte ratanang panitang etena Cena suwati hotu waro varanyu varado varaharo anuttaro dhamma varang adeseyi idampe butte ratanang panitang etena saccena suwati hotu Kinang puranang nawang natte sambawang virata citta ayatike bawasming te kina bija avirohi canda nibanti dirayata yang padipong idampe sangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suwati hotu yani tabutani samagatani bummani vayani va antaleke tatagatang deva manusa pujitang Buddhang namasama suwati hotu Yani tabutani samagatani bummani vayani va antaleke tatagatang deva manusa pujitang Dhammang namasama suwati hotu Yani tabutani samagatani bummani vayani va antaleke tatagatang deva manusa pujitang Sanggang namasama suwati hotu etena sacca vajena dukkha upasamentu te etena sacca vajena bayu upasamantu te etena sacca vajena roga upasamantu te sadhu sadhu sadhu.
So So very well done by the last group. Now, brother Yo, are you ready?
Yeah, Chong will start first, 4 stanza, followed by Lim, 4 stanza. And is Alvin there?
Oh, brother Lim is here, is it?
Don't know. If he's not there, then I chant the rest.
Brother Alvin, are you in? Oh, okay. Looks like you got to cover almost all, man.
Okay.
Okay, that means we only have brother Chong.
4.
Brother Lim is not here. Brother Lim, are you here?
No.
Okay. So, brother Chong, are you here?
Brother Chong, yes.
Okay. So, brother Yo, you decide now between you and brother Chong, like half each or.
If Chong is here, don't mind, he chant first 4 stanza.
Okay, over to you, brother Chong. Are you ready? Brother Chong Tim Fat.
It's not there?
No, connecting.
Oh, it's connecting, is it? Okay. You have to unmute yourself, brother Chong. Unmute yourself and you can start, brother Chong.
Okay.
Okay.
Nida Buddhani Samagatani Bhumani Vayami Va Antari Sapiva Buddha Sumana Bhavatu Atto Pitsakacha Sunatu Basitam Dasmari Buddha Nisameta Sabe Betam Karota Manusia Bajayam Devacha Ratocha Rahanti Baslim Dasmari Ne Rakata Apamata Yam kinchi vitam vidawa huram Sagesu waram ratanam panitam Namo sanatitakatatena Idang me buddhe ratanam panitam Estena sachena suwari hontu Ayam viragam amatam panitam Rajahaga satya mudin samaritum Natena damena samati kinchi Idang me ratanam panitam Estena sachena suwari hontum
Yang Buddha Seto Parivannahi Sucing Samadhi Manang Tarikanya Mahu Samadhi Natena Samona Vichati Idam Pidam Me Ratanang Panitang Etena Satchena Suvati Hotu Uppkala akta satang pasatta cattari etani yuga nihonti te dakkineya sugata sasavaka ete sudinani mahappalani idampi sanghi ratanang panitang etena satchena suvati hotu Esupayutta manasadahena Nikamino gotama sasanam hi te patipatta amatang vikaiha latta mutani puting bunjamana idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena saccena subati hotu yatinda kilo patavinsito siya Chatu vivate biasam pekampio tatu pemangsa purisam vadami yo arya saccani avecca passati idam pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suvati hotu e arya saccani vibhavayanti gambira panena sudesitani kincapi te honti busappamatta nate bavan attamang adiyanti idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suvati hotu sahavasadassana sampadaya tayastu dhamma jahita pavanti sakkaya dicci vicikiccitanca silabbatang vapi adatti kinci catuhapaye hicca vipamutto cacavitanani ababbokatum idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suvati hotu pincapi sokammang karoti papakang kaena vaca udacetasa ababboso tassa patitadaya ababbata ditta padassa butta idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suvati hotu vatapavumbe atapusitake gimhana mase patamasming gimhe tatupamang dhamma warang adesai tipanagaming paramang hitaya idampi buddhe ratanang panitang etena saccena suvati hotu varo varanyo varado varaharo anuttaro dhamma varang adesai idampi buddhe ratanang panitang etena saccena suvati hotu Inang puranang davanati sabbavang virata citta ayatike vavasmik tekina vija abirohistanda nibbanti dirayatayang padipo idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suvati hotu Yani dabutani samagatani ummani vayani va antarike tatagatam deva manussa pujitam buddhang dhammassama suvati hotu Yani dabutani samagatani ummani vayani va antarike tatagatam deva manussa pujitam Dhammang dhammassama suvati hotu Yani dabutani samagatani ummani vayani va antarike tatagatam deva manussa pujitam sanghang dhammassama suvati hotu etena sacca vaccena dukkha upasamentuti etena sacca vaccena vayahu upasamentuti etena sacca vaccena rogahu upasamentuti Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
So thank you very, very much. I've enjoyed listening to your chanting. I'm sure the Devas also enjoy listening to your chanting now. All of you are chanting all, I'm sure. But like I've said, actually we all have improved a lot. And I think many of you are now able to chant and lead your own group for the regular puja. Of course, tonight you didn't do, you made certain mistakes because of, like I've said, through carelessness or maybe because we were nervous, Otherwise, I think you all are all ready. I'm very pleased with the progress. So keep up, continue practicing, and maybe what we can do is, okay, we'll discuss that later. So you've done very well. So for regular service, actually, we normally will chant the Metta Sutta and the Ratana Sutta. So sometimes we do the Mangala Sutta. So these three are the very common sutta. You have covered Mangala Sutta and Ratana Sutta. So I hope next week we will the next 2 weeks we will do the Metta Sutta. We will do the Metta Sutta for the next 2 weeks, and we will follow the same format. We make you chant the Metta Sutta. You all did very well. So today we don't have Brother Lim. So for this short, okay. Anyway, like I've said, I will not comment on the mistake. But these mistakes were all out of because of you were careless, not because you didn't understand. It is you all have understood where to drag and where not to drag. You have understood the Pali phonetics very well. You have understood to pause at the double consonant. So I do not wish to comment on all this anymore. You all did very well. So all you have to do now is to practice more. And I'm sure, like I've said earlier, you will be able to lead your own group later when you can have physical get together in a regular puja. I'm sure many of you are ready now to lead them. Okay, I'm pretty sure that many of you now can lead the group in chanting. Okay, now Brother Lim is not here. Brother Lim has, okay, for this sutta, like
sharing the screen.
Okay, can I stop sharing? Yeah, okay. Okay, so Brother Lim is not here. Brother Lim has introduced to you earlier on the qualities of the Buddha. This sutta, like I've said earlier, there's a lot of deep teachings here, we did not cover very much on the teachings this time. But Brother Lim has introduced to you, I think stanza number 2, wasn't it? I'm not sure, but we introduced the qualities of the Buddha to you all, and he has also introduced the quality of the Dhamma, quality of Buddha, quality of the Dhamma. So maybe I will introduce to you today is the qualities of the Sangha, okay? Okay, I can introduce you quickly on the qualities of the Sangha. If you look at stanza number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stanza number 6, you see. So in this sutta, the Buddhas have introduced the quality of the Buddha, quality of Dhamma, and also the Sangha. So quickly, the Buddha has covered here is Ye Puggala Atta Satang Pasatta Chattari Etani Yugani Honti Te Dakineya Sugatassa Savaka Ete Sudinani Mahapalani Idang Pisange Ratanang Panitang Etena Sachena Suvati Hotu. So what, okay, like I've said, because this is not a Pali class, this is not a Pali class, I'm not qualified to teach you Pali. I'm inviting you to chant in unison together with me. So one way, but of course, like I've said before, we don't chant without understanding what we are chanting. Correct? We must try to understand what we are chanting, but you may not understand each individual word. But at least, like I've said, in this stanza, let us catch a few words that we can recognize, and then we know that, oh, this word, example. In this case, they say Atta Satang Pasatta. So we know that Ye Puggala Atta means 8. So we get the number 8 in our mind. So we know that, oh, they're talking about the 8 kind of people, the 4 pairs. Correct? So we don't have to know every word. You don't have to know word by word for word. But at least we know Ye Puggala Atta Satang Pasatta. We know that Buddha is talking, this stanza is talking about Atta Satang Pasatta. That means we are saying that there are 8 individuals. We know 8 individuals. Okay. Then Chattari Etani Yugani Honti. What is Chattari? Chattari is 4. You see, so we know the two words now here. At least we know 4, we know 8. So we know 4 pairs and 8 individuals. Correct. So they are worthy of offerings, they say here. Huh? So the rest of the words, I think we will not go through. Huh? So at least we will know that there are 8 and maybe there are 4 pairs and 8 individuals and they're worthy of offerings. So why did the Buddha say they're worthy of offerings? You know, basically, in the good old days, during the Brahmanic period, what is happening is only the Brahmins will accept the offerings, you know. Correct. People will do a lot of offerings only to the Brahmins, you know. They're Brahmin priests. So they will accept all the offerings. So the Buddha is telling them that, hey, my friend, you can also actually give offerings to our monks. They are also worthy of offerings. This 4 pairs of people and these 8 individuals. 4 pairs, these 8 individuals, they are worthy of offerings. Is it to counter the malpractices where offerings are made only to the Brahmin priests? Historically. So the Buddha told them that. So now, the Buddha had introduced to them. Now the question is, what are the 4 pairs of people? Okay, what are the 4 pairs of people and what are the 8 individuals? The 4 pairs of people the Buddha is referring here to is the first kind of Arya people. These 4 pairs are the Arya people. That means people who are already in the path. Okay, in the path. So they are the Sotapanna. Sotapanna, there's 1 pair. Okay. And the Buddha says that why we say 1 pair? Because of the mindset. To be the Sotapanna, your mindset must be ready. Sotapanna means your mindset must be ready. So for Sotapanna means the Buddha says that there are 4 pairs because Sotapanna has 2 kinds of mentality. One is when he just is en route to a Sotapanna. Correct? He's just going to be a Sotapanna. He hasn't crossed the stream yet. He's just a stream enterer. So that is one mentality. First pair of person. Then when he has crossed the stream, when he has achieved full Sotapanna, he gets the fruition of the Magga. First is the Magga, then the Phala. So when he has crossed the stream, he is the full Sotapanna. So that makes the 1 pair. Sotapanna is one is en route and one is the fruition. So that is the first pair of people. Correct. And the second pair of people, the Buddha says, are the Sakadagami. That means the once returner. Again, their mindset is when you have finished, when you have become the Sotapanna, then you develop yourself, then you will realize the path to be an Sakadagami. And that realization, the en route to the path, that is the first, the second pair, the first person. Okay? The first pair is, of course, the Sotapanna. And this is Sakadagami, the second pair. One is has got the mentality of being an Anagami, but he has not achieved full. So when they cross the stream, he is a full Sakadagami. That means he has got the Magga and he has got a fruition. So he's a full Sakadagami. So that is the second pair. The 8 individuals consist of 4 pairs. Okay, one is the Sotapanna, then the Sakadagami, and the third pair is the Anagami. People who have developed the mind to be an Anagami, but have not completed the course to be an Anagami. So when he has completed, he has got the fruition, then he is the full Anagami. Then he is known as an Anagami. So the Phala, the Magga, and the Phala. So there's 3 pairs of people. The 8 individuals, there are 6 already covered. And the last pair are the Arahants, people who are enlightened. So they're en route to enlightenment. They're beginning to see enlightenment already, but they're not full-fledged yet, you know. So that is called the Magga. They are en route. Then when they become fully enlightened, they realize it completely. When they've overcome greed, hatred, delusion completely, they only saw it and experienced it, then they know they can overcome. Then now they've crossed it completely. They are known as the Arahants. So they are now living in the world without greed, hatred, delusion. Okay? So they are the 4 pairs of people. And the Buddha says these 4 pairs of people are worthy of your offerings. Okay, and you get a lot of benefits when you give them this kind of offering lah. You get a lot of merits lah, you know. So that one you can refer to the Velama Sutta, you know, where the Buddha mentioned about the. I think Brother Lee must have discussed it in your group study before, the Velama Sutta. That is on a scale of merits lah. A scale of merits lah, you know. So the Buddha says that when you give dana to certain kind of people, you get certain level of merits. Another kind of group, you get certain level of merits. So that is a scale of merits. So the question here is, okay, so if you look at stanza number 10, I think, stanza number mana tadi 6 ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So okay, we just covered number 10 now. So we have covered the qualities of the Buddha, we have covered the qualities of the Dhamma and the qualities of the Sangha. The Arya Sangha, these are the Arya Sanghas. Okay, then the Buddha also introduced to you the supramundane people, you know. People, actually the supramundane group, you know. So these are the supramundane people who have actually achieved the en route to enlightenment, supramundane people lah. And what is, okay, in stanza number 10, the Buddha has explained to us, stanza number 10. Okay, stanza number 10, the Buddha says that Saha Vasadasana Sampadaya Tayasu Dhamma Jahita Bhavanti Sakaya Ditti Vichikichitancha Silab Batang Vapi Adati Kinchi Chatu Hapaye Hicha Vipamuto Chachabitanani Abhabbokatung Idampi Sangye Ratanang Panitang Etena Sachena Suvati Hotu. So what is the Buddha says here? So the Buddha introduced another level of people in the supramundane state. Okay, moving on. So we have got the Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha now in the supramundane state of a Sotapanna. What is the state of a Sotapanna? The Buddha says here. Okay, here we can remember the word, maybe we will remember the word Sakaya Ditti. Sakaya Ditti, we remember the word Sakaya Ditti, and then we were, oh, he's talking about the supramundane people lah. You know, that's Sakaya Ditti. I'm looking for some notes to help. Okay, so when we see the word Sakaya Ditti, so here the Buddha is saying that what are the qualities of a Sotapanna? And the Buddha beginning to introduce to you also the qualities of Sotapanna. So the quality of Sotapanna here, the Buddha says, is we have actually abandoned doubt. Okay, we have abandoned doubt, we have abandoned rites and rituals, and we have abandoned belief in self. Okay, so that you've abandoned, once you have full confidence in the Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha, that is first quality of Sotapanna, full confidence. That means no more insurance lah. We all like to say we got insurance lah. I think we pay by to the Buddha, sometimes we also pay by to Kuan Yin, sometimes we pay by to another deity, like insurance lah. You know, we say, you know. So that means we don't have the full confidence yet. So that means we still lack the quality of a Sotapanna. Correct. A Sotapanna means you have full confidence, only the Buddha, no other teachers. So that is one quality. The next quality is he has given up all these rites and rituals. You know, rites and rituals, again, in short, we are telling you, it's not about chanting or regular puja and all that. You know, in the good old days, there again, in the Brahmanic period, they practiced a lot of silly rites and rituals lah. Very silly rites and rituals, like sometimes they will behave like animals. You know, these people will behave like cows. You know, they go mooing everywhere and then they try to eat grass like cows. You know, they think that this penance when they do, the Almighty will forgive them. So when they die, they will go to heaven and join the Almighty again lah. Lord Brahma, those days they believe in Brahma lah. You know, and sometimes they behave like dogs also. People really smiling there lah, because they also behave like dogs there in the good old days lah. Because they think they're behaving like that, behaving like animals, you know. So that's why the Buddha says all these rites and rituals you must remove lah. Remove all these silly things that we do just to get favor from our Almighty, So that's what the Buddha meant by giving up rites and rituals. Don't get it wrong. Don't say that the Buddha said don't go and do your puja. This puja is to help us to spiritually actually. But to give up all these silly rites and rituals in the good old days where they behave like animals, It is very true if you read the history of Buddhism. They have these practices those days. They behave like dogs, they behave like cows, they behave like goats, and then they eat grass, they even eat and eat. They eat like a dog, they lick from the plate also, when they do the rituals. Okay, so this, the Buddha says you abandon, and then you have doubt, you must be firm with full faith in the Buddha. And okay, and then the last is the Buddha says is actually you must, last year the Buddha says is you must also give up the idea that self is the permanent entity. Correct? The Buddha says you must give up self. Self as a permanent entity, you must give up. Okay? That don't believe that this self is a permanent entity. This self is not a permanent entity. Now you can read on the one of the suttas that they describe what is the self, So we must give up that self is a permanent entity. Don't take this this self, because the Buddha has told us that this self is made out of 5 aggregates, which I think many of you have been exposed to this teaching, that we are made of a body, a body made out of the consciousness, made out of the sankhara, which is mental formation, made out of feelings, and made out of what else I say? Rupa, feelings, Vedana, sankhara, and the consciousness, vijnana. Okay, so these 5. Now these 5, if you want to elaborate, there are 20 kinds of misbelief. You will say that self is not, you are not self, neither is self inside you, neither is things like that. You learn all the 20 kinds of misbelief of self. You do this. But all this Buddha is all theoretical. So if I go through this theoretical for you, I don't think it'll benefit you. Just to learn about this self, you can refer to some of these suttas. In the Chula Vedana Sutta, you learn the Vichikichi is doubt, you mustn't have doubt in the Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha, we say. So Sila Batang is you must also, but you mustn't have any doubt on Sila, so things like that. So even on yourself, self means there are 4 types of ditthi. There are 5 aggregates, and every aggregate has 4 kinds of doubts, So that makes you 20. So these are all actually, I'm talking, actually, it doesn't help you. So the shortest way to understand self, to me, is to understand self means this self is not important, Many times, if we were to observe, even in our career, this self becomes very important. You bypass your senior, he gets very angry. Correct? And that kind of identity, the Buddha says we must give up. Sometimes when we do work, we bypass our senior. The senior gets very angry with you. The senior say, oh, he dares to bypass me. So what happens? Whatever you present, whatever you do, they will find fault with you. Correct? The subject is no more what you present. The subject becomes their self, Correct? So that kind of stuff you have to understand. No point I explain to you the 20 factors of understanding self. Understand self that way. We must give up this self. Most of the quarrels we have today is because you bypass the self. Why? I don't know. Why? I don't know. So your senior is always, why? I don't know. My eye is so big, and that self is what we have to deflate. All right. I'm sure many of us have experienced that. Recently also, I've encountered something when I went to somewhere, when I got permission from the worker that I wanted to take certain things, So the worker said, go ahead and take, Then the landlord came out and said that I want to use that thing. I said, I spoke to the man, he said, I can take so I take you want a return? She said, no, but I am the house owner. You see? the I becomes very big, you see. So many of us have encountered this kind of problem, like even in your career. The I is very important. You bypass me, so I won't accept your presentation. I won't accept your recommendation. I won't accept whatever you present. So the subject becomes the I. It's not what you can offer. What you offer has become nothing. That is personality. The Buddha says you have to give up. That personality, don't worry about the 5 aggregates and these aggregates, which I can explain to you, I can lecture to you, but no point. What is important here is for us, is in our career, in our practical life, is to give up that kind of self. Don't worry so much about that. I think when there's an issue here, let us look at the issue rather than we divert it and say that why I don't know. We have encountered that. Why I don't know. Why you never tell me first. Why you bypass me. So that becomes, yes, big for ego, and the ego becomes very big. That kind of personality, the Buddha says you give up. You want to become Sotapanna, that personality you give up first. Correct? When you can give up this kind of personality, so these are the 3 things that you have to overcome. Then you are en route to be a Sotapanna. You are on the Magga path. Give up that big inflated self, full confidence in the Buddha, and forget about all these silly rites and rituals. So that is what the Buddha is introducing to you in stanza number 10. So with that, I think very shortly, I have actually covered for you the Buddha, the Dhamma, Sangha, and the Arya path. Okay, and that is what is about in the sutta. Actually, this is a very powerful sutta, very nice sutta. Very nice sutta, and the teachings are very much deeper. But of course, we are focusing more on chanting. Unless we have more time one day, we can sit down and discuss about Ratana Sutta. So with that, I think I have finished. Anybody want to ask any questions before we do some dedication? And I think normally for this sutta, we will chant the Metta Sutta after that. To appease the devas, because this is a very strong sutta. Like what Brother Lee says, he personally doesn't like to chant this. He says, because this is a very powerful sutta, he says. I believe so, but nevertheless, there is nothing in Buddhism that says that we cannot chant. The Buddha has never kept any secrets. Buddhism doesn't keep any secrets. All of us can chant this also. So anybody, any questions before we do some dedication and transfer summaries and asking for forgiveness? So next week we'll continue with the Metta Sutta. After that, you're all competent to conduct some service on your own. But of course, we need to practice all the time. Okay. So if not means I will take this opportunity to transfer merits and then also to chant the Metta Sutta, like I've said. Normally after this sutta, if you are chanting this sutta, you must be followed by the Metta Sutta. But Metta is a very soothing sutta. I really likes that sutta very much. He says that Yani the Bhutani is too strong, he says. Okay, so we will do the Metta Sutta, and also we will ask for forgiveness for in case we have mispronounced the words here and there, and we will transfer merits. Let's take this opportunity before I chant, we dedicate this merits to all the people, all the merits we have accrued this evening. We dedicate to all the devas, all our protective devas, wherever they are. These protective devas who have protected us, our family members, and our property. We dedicate this merits to them, and we hope that they will rejoice in these merits and eventually they attain the perfect bliss of Nibbana. By virtue of this merits, we hope that we will be blessed with good, we will be blessed with wealth, happiness, prosperity, and above all wisdom to walk the Buddha's path. And also let us also dedicate these merits to our loved ones who have passed away, wherever they may be. We hope that these merits can reach them and help them in their spiritual well-being. However, if they are reborn on the celestial planes, may they too rejoice in these merits and shower unto us their choicest blessings and protection. By virtue of these merits, may we be blessed with company of the good and the wise always. May we be blessed with good teachers all the time. Let's all say sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. So let us all chant the Karaniya Metta Sutta. And then we will chant the Kayena Vacha Chittena. Okay? Karaniya Matta Kusalena Yantang Santang Padang Abhisamecha Sakko Ujucha Sujucha Suvacho Chassa Mudu Anatimani Santu Sakocha Suvarocha Appakichocha Sallahuka Vutti Santindriyocha Nipakocha Appagabbo Kulesu Ananugiddo Nachakutang samachare kinchiyena vinyu pare upavadeyung Sukino kemino hontu sabbe satta bhavantu sukitata yeke cipana bhutatti tasava tavarava anavasesa jigava ye mahantava majjimara sakanukatulla jittava yeva additta yeta dure vasanti avidure Bhutava sambhave siva sabbe satta bhavantu sukitatta naparo parang nikubbeta nati manyeta khatta chinangkanci vyaro sana patiga sanya nanya manya sadukka micceya mata yata niyang puttang ayusa eka putta manurake Evang pisabba bhutesu manasang bhavaye aparimanang mettang ca sabba lokasming manasang bhavaye aparimanang uddang ado ca tiriyan ca asambagang averang asapattang cittang carang visinno va sayano va yavatasa vigata middo Etang sating aditeya brahma metang viharang idamahu dittinca anupagamma silava dasanena sampanno kamesu vineya gedang nahi jatu gappaseyang punareti etena sajjavajjena sottite hotu sapada Etena sajjavajjena sottite hotu sappada Etena sajjavajjena sottite hotu sappada Kayena vaca cittena pamadena maya katang Acchayang kamame bante bhuri panya tathagata Ettavata cammehi sampadang punya sampadang sabbe deva sabbe satta sabbe bhuta anumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya idang me nyati nang hotu sukita hontu nyatayo idang me nyati nang hotu sukita hontu nyatayo idang me nyati nang hotu sukita hontu nyatayo Imina punya kammena mame bala samagamo satang samagamo hotu yava nibbana patiya sadhu sadhu sadhu. May all beings be well and happy and peaceful always. So with that, we end our session. Can remain for a bit of a simbang session. While I will stop the streaming live on Facebook. Yeah, okay, we can continue with our short fellowship. Anybody want to say anything?